Contemporary walk-out ranch and Portage schools. Large lot with fenced yard and private views. Enter into open vaulted ceiling front foyer and then into the stunning living room with beamed ceiling, a wall of windows and a beautiful gas fireplace. Large, updated kitchen with stainless steel appliances, unending counter space and tile backsplash. The eat-in kitchen is spacious and inviting with the back of the living room fireplace offering a second fireplace while adding warmth and character for mealtime gathering. Enjoy the screen porch as you view the plentiful wildlife in the backyard. The primary bedroom with connected ensuite has access to the deck. All 3 main floor bedrooms offer fresh paint and flooring, and the full bath has been completely updated. The LL walkout adds a LG family room with fireplace, a second large game room, or 4th bedroom, and a full bathroom. Plenty of storage too. New roof in 2023, furnace and AC.